Welcome to Cheap College Living. Today we're going to talk about how to avoid bad back-to-school specials. Earlier, we talked about how and where to find good back-to-school specials. Today, I'm going to give you some tips and pointers on how to avoid the bad back-to-school specials. Watch out! Companies use fancy images, slash numbers, and other techniques. Here, we're going to delve into the specifics and what to watch out for. Trick number 1, slash prices. Sometimes companies slash out a number and put a lower price, but sometimes it's not always genuine. Make sure that the price they're offering is actually cheaper than the regular price. Trick number 2, how long does the deal last? Sometimes you think you've got a pretty good subscription deal when not really. Sometimes that reduced price only lasts for the first month or for the first trial. Make sure you check and see how long that reduced price lasts. Trick number 3, marketing schemes. Pretty often, companies will try and convince you that they have the best deals. Make sure you shop around before you settle. Additionally, they might use some tactics like testimonials, pretty pictures, and other tricks. But sometimes it's not always genuine. Make sure you really know what you're getting yourself into. Sometimes not all back-to-school specials are bad, and sometimes you can get some pretty great deals. Check out our older video to see how and where to find great back-to-school specials. To sum up, remember the different types of tricks that people may pull on you for back-to-school specials, including slash numbers, subscription services, and other marketing techniques. Always be on your guard when you're going back to school. What back-to-school specials were a bust for you? Which ones worked out really well? Comment below and subscribe to keep saving.